at the workshop at Schmiedmann in Odense with an F22 2 Series active tourer with an SOS call system failure. It's here to be fixed. Let's see how. Yet another show and tell video here from the workshop at Schmiedmann in Odense. If you like it, let us know in the comments below with a like or a comment. Please tell us what you want to see more of. Workshop videos, showroom videos, or parts in the warehouse. We will show you. Go to schmiedmann.com and find everything you need for BMW and MINI. Parts, new and used, genuine OE quality and aftermarket at great prices with worldwide shipping. See you on schmiedmann.com.